Nigerians that said they love Darkman. I mean, those same people that used to give him accolades, was it a genuine love or just an eye service love? Let me rephrase again. Those people wey say they love Darkman, where una dey? In as much as he does not like some stuff I do, and I don't like some things when they do too, but you cannot dispute the fact that Verydarkman stood for the poor people. He is obviously a selfless young man, because if he wasn't, the guy for don't extort money from Unataya. Forgive Verydarkman.
My country people, na today I confirm say na the least person wey you expected to do something na they do am. Saidaboj really impressed me today. Imagine her advocating for the release of Verydarkman. This one shock me. Una know say two of them na almost like cat and dog. But look at her now, advocating for his release. Come they talk, say, who is that person without sin? That the person should cast the stone first. He come they beg Nigerians, Nigerian police, we hold them, say, I beg, make una forgive Verydarkman. Say the man, na good man, no. He has advocated, he's the voice for the voiceless. Come they beg whoever they in charge to please forgive Verydarkman and release him. We all know, say, they took Verydarkman last week, for court hearing. Up to now, we never hear anything. I just pray that God Almighty strengthen him, because they easy. Imagine speaking for people and at the same time risking your life. Seriously, I'm not a fan of Verydarkman, but that man has done a lot for Nigerians. If you know, you know. That Verydarkman is a good man. He's a very good man. Even if you don't like him or not, you cannot dispute that fact. I beg. Saidaboj, they beg on his behalf. Say, Biko, make una release, make una free Verydarkman, make una forgive him. Say, see, the man they talk too much sometimes. You understand? But make una forgive him.
Yeah, forgive Verydarkman. Not everything is justifiable. Okay, yes, he said some things he should have not. But nobody exists totally without mistakes. If you know you are without mistakes, then you should be the first one casting the stones. Forgive Verydarkman. Nobody is perfect. We cannot all get it right in every area of our lives. Forgive Verydarkman. With that being said, Nigerians, it is up to you now. I urge every boy or girl, man or woman, to support and move the motion. Forgive Verydarkman. Please, we need to do this together by posting and sharing this picture right here until it gets to whoever is in charge of his release. You do not have to like me to do this, because I never liked you two before. But when it comes to fighting for each other, do it for Darkman. Do it for the voiceless Nigerians. Do it for the poor people. I feel not feel or understand how mama they feel right now, because I am not a mother yet. So I will speak from a sister angle. I don't go like one see my brother for that kind of situation. It doesn't matter the angle you want to see Darkman from. Do it for the sake of togetherness. Do it for the sake of love. Do it for forgiveness. Do it for one Nigeria. You see this guy right here? This is the only friend I know he has. This boy, now it's that they call good friend. Not be all this one where be say if you enter trouble, they don't run. Some they even pray make you enter trouble, make them feel mock you. I mean, I've seen videos of this boy protesting, genuinely advocating for his friend. What a friend Verydarkman has in this man. So my Nigerian people, guys be your pikin before you beg for him. Even guys be your brother. Begging for him would cost you nothing. The only way our country can get it right is if we forgive each other and stand as one. Please screenshot this picture, post it on your status and on all your social media platforms with the hashtag forgive Verydarkman. He better making day here with us, make we dey cause him than for him to do that place where in day, no good. So whoever has the power to release Verydarkman, please temper justice with mercy. Forgive Verydarkman and set him free.
My love for this girl just increased now. Seriously, I never expected this from her. Seriously, I'm really impressed. God bless you, girl. My people, waiting nothing. Drop your opinion for comment section. See you guys on my next episode. Don't forget to like, follow this channel for more banging news with the tutorial body. You see your one and only Ami Boga Cindy. Stay safe out there. Oh yeah, now bye.